Okay, so I've got a bunch of new DIY tools and exciting stuff in here. So let's unbox it and see what I've got. Ooh, these are my corner clamps that I can use on my workbench and to build cabinets and stuff. So I got those. These are some spring-mounted hinges that I'm very excited. I have a project for these, and I'm excited to show you guys about that. Ooh, this is the RFID lock that I'm gonna put actually on a secret compartment here in my new office. And I'm gonna have an RFID card hidden somewhere in here, and you can grab it, put it up to the lock, and then it'll unlock and reveal itself. So that'll be a really exciting project. These are my ball bearings, and I'm going to use these on the kitchen because when I did my pull-out pantry, I didn't account for the extra weight of the canned goods and such. So I didn't get heavy-duty enough drawer mounts. So I'm going to attempt to put these ball bearings, although they're bigger than I thought they were going to be. I was going to attempt to put these underneath so that it would help hold the weight of the pull-out pantry. So we'll see. That might work. This is, these are my Lazy Susan mounts that I'm going to put in a corner cabinet. I'm excited to show you guys that too. These are, my magnetic push out. So these I'm going to use for the, I'm going to put a step down here under my desk that you can kick it and it'll pop out, and then you can step so that I can access these cabinets up above me. These are going to be cool. These are clamps that are going to go on my workbench and help clamp down the projects I'm working on. Oh, I'm excited about this. This is a marking tool, so I can measure a distance and then lock it down, and then I can like slide it along to make sure the distance remains the same along the whole project. Carpentry square. I've never actually had one of these, and so I kind of feel like a professional now. We'll see if I use it or if I know how to use it. We'll see. And then this, I had to replenish my screws, so this is a lot more stuff than I ever normally get. But these are my screws that I'm going to replenish, and I broke my tape measure, so I had to replace my tape measure. So I'm excited about this. And more, these are quick acting, supposedly, clamps that I'm going to put on my workbench. So excited about these. And hinges. All right, cool. So that is everything, and I'm excited to get to work. So follow along and I will show you what I do with all of this.